Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Instagram Shopping. Manage product tags step by step clearly. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure it is updated to the latest version. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your account page. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner to open the settings panel. Select Settings and Privacy to access account and business options. Scroll down and tap Account Type and Tools to confirm you are using a professional account. If you are not on a professional account, tap Switch to Professional Account and follow the prompts. Go back to Settings and Privacy and tap Account Center if you need to connect Facebook. In Account Center, ensure your Instagram is linked to the correct Facebook profile or page. Now exit Settings and open a web browser or the Meta Business Suite app to access commerce tools. Log in with the same Meta account that is connected to your Instagram profile. Open Commerce Manager and choose the business that owns your catalog. Check that your product catalog is active and has items added correctly. In Commerce Manager, open the Instagram Shopping or Shop section for your account. Find the option to connect or confirm your Instagram account for shopping. If prompted, complete the review process by confirming your business details and policies. Return to Instagram and tap your profile icon to verify your account is still logged in. Tap the three-line menu again and go to Business Tools and Controls. Tap Shopping to confirm your catalog is connected to your Instagram account. If you do not see shopping, update the app again and recheck your region and eligibility. To manage product tags, create a new post by tapping the plus icon and choosing Post. Select a photo or video that clearly shows the product you want to tag. On the final screen before posting, tap Tag Products. Tap on the product in the image where you want the tag to appear. Search for the correct item from your connected catalog and select it. Adjust the tag position so it is easy to see and not covering important details. Tap Done, then review your caption, audience, and any other settings. Tap Share to publish the post with the product tag included. To edit tags later, open the post. Tap the three dots. Choose Edit. Then Update Tag Products. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.